This channel has achieved amazing success in just 9 months with over 1 million subscribers and almost 500 million of views. That's incredible. By uploading short videos you can earn $55,000 per month and almost $600,000 per year. Is not that amazing? Even if you don't have any experience or camera, you can still create your own YouTube Shorts channel. You don't even have to shoot your own videos. As you can see in this new article, YouTube Shorts filmmakers will be able to earn a share of advertising revenue starting in 2023. So this is something you want to start right now. To start earning on YouTube Shorts, the first thing you need to do is determine your niche. When choosing a niche, it's important to pay attention to niche popularity, competitions and your expertise. The best niches for publishing short videos on YouTube include makeup, beauty and self-care, animals, crafts and gear, sports and fitness, humor and comedy, food and cooking, travel and tourism, fashion and style, and technology and gadgets. But don't worry about creating your own videos. You can use videos from other social networks and publish them on your YouTube channel. However, you can't just download someone else's videos and publish it on your channel. You need to make it unique. To do this, you can add your own comment and descriptions, change the photo and colors on the video, or add frames of music at the beginning or end of the video. There are many apps available for video editing and uniques, such as InShot, CapCut and Viva Video. You can download them from the App Store or Google Play. Alternatively, you can use the Canva service to make a video unique by adding your logo at the beginning or end of the video, or by using different filters and effects to change the appearance of the video. Don't forget to use hashtags and optimize your titles and descriptions for search engines to increase the visibility of your videos and attract more viewers and subscribers. To download videos from Instagram and TikTok, you can use TikTok Video Downloader or Instagram Video Downloader. Both apps are available for download on Google Play Store and allow you to download videos from the specific social networks to your device without watermarks. Alternatively, you can use services such as InstaSave or TikTok Video Downloader to download videos from Instagram and TikTok, respectively, without the need to install an app on your device. After you have identified your niche, downloaded and made your video unique, you need to create a channel on YouTube. The process is very simple and only takes a few steps. Follow these tips when creating your YouTube channel. Choose a memorable channel name that reflects the theme of the channel. Avoid using complicated and long names and use keywords in the name to help people find your channel in search engines. I recommend publishing 3 short videos daily and planning videos for the future. So you can set aside 1 2 days, find 100-200 videos, download them, make them unique and schedule them on your channel. Also, keep up with trends and current topics to keep your channel always in the spotlight. When creating your YouTube channel, it's important to secure it from hacking. Create strong password, turn on two-factor authentication and don't give anyone access to your account. Very soon YouTube will enable monetization or short videos and channel owners will be able to earn hundreds of dollars daily. Now is the best time to create your own YouTube short channel that will bring you passive income in the future. Let's summarize how to start earning money on YouTube Shorts. Choose a niche, download and make the video unique, create a channel on YouTube and publish 3 short videos daily. It is recommended to use app for video editing and uniques as well as services for downloading videos from social network. Don't forget to secure your YouTube account. Popular channels earn over $1,000 a day from views and you can too. Now is the best time to create your own YouTube channel. Remember, the video uniques should be high enough to avoid copyright infringement. However, don't prioritize uniques. Focus on making videos that are of good quality and interesting to your audience. If this video was useful, please like it, subscribe to the channel and write your questions in the comment. Good luck in creating your successful YouTube channel.